Cambridge teachers and students arrived in Tokyo on November 13th, 2023, exactly 5 years after their previous visit. After a good night's sleep at their hotel, everyone got ready to begin their Japanese adventure. Produced a bright sunny day and the students got to meet their Japanese buddies for the very first time. Now everyone was ready for their big trip to Tokyo city centre. Fantastic day in Tokyo, the Aussie students were welcomed by their Japanese host families. The next day, a welcoming ceremony was held at the school.
Welcome to Japan and welcome to Shifunen.
この度は本当の学校訪問をようこそ来ていただき誠にありがとうございます。
Gifts were exchanged and the Australians were now truly part of the Uchikona family. The 3-day-long Japanese school experience had commenced.
We're going to guide this high part.
So we're on level 2, and then
Snacks like collagen, French fry. I want to eat it.
Kiana's there, so I think that's first year. Because Kobe was the first year with you. Kobe was the first year.
I did one class.
With everyone in that year and having She's not. She was like 48 class, like one.
Yeah.
She would be like. They love it. They love it.
Japanese
Japanese class. Very cool.
I'm Taylor. I'm Alicia. I'm Asha. I'm Chloe.
Everybody together, let's say circulation.
Circulation.
Okay, good. I don't know. Time?
Is the arm stable? This is really unstable.
Say おはようございます。Yeah, you can say that again. おはようございます。私の名前はname is 4年です。勝負、対立。
Nice to meet you.
My name's Summer. Nice to meet you.
But not for Gohan, not for us. Not for
The next is
I hope you enjoy staying in the town.
if I took a photo the next morning.
The students weren't going to allow an unusual incident involving a mushroom to spoil their fun.
We were talking about the good old times, and now we knew it, and then the rest of our lives.
Love.
With a little help from their Japanese friends, the Australians created some traditional kanji characters.
Slow and steady.
Sorry if I seem a little bit strange.
Okay.
Moon.
Moon.
Yeah, go Wonder.
Good luck.
German Shepherd.
We hate it like the weather outside, and maybe someday.
The students were invited to be part of a traditional Japanese tea ceremony.
In a little cafe in the heart of Paris. Oh, 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 oh. We be listening to the radio, singing all the words of songs that we don't even know. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, another day just waking up to the feeling of touch, and it's just the most beautiful place to be. Hey, isn't it strange how fast it goes, and how back then we never would have known that everything would turn out to be so easy, and maybe something sweet that we never thought we could ever see.
So how did they find the experience?
Yes, yes. Good. Very enjoyable, really tasty.
We actually were like. Very good experience. Very fun experience. Yes, it was awesome.
Good. Very nice.
Talking about the good old times, and now we knew even then that the rest of our lives.
The last day, it was time to head to the dojo for a quick martial arts lesson. The Japanese students demonstrated how to safely perform judo throws and moves.
The cold is finally gone. Well, I've been waiting for someone like you to come along.
Unfortunately, all good things have to eventually come to an end. But we weren't going to end without a party. The next day was the Disneyland visit, so it was time to practice the Jamboree Mickey dance.
No. Part 3. Let's go part 3. Let's begin the first from the beginning. Okay? 右手を上げて。で、opposite side legs up and 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 steps. Zun, 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 zun. Right. せーの。僕らのクラブのリーダー。ミッキーマウス、ミッキーマウス、ミッキー、ミッキー。
Yeah, we had a lot of fun experiencing like what it's like to live in a Japanese house. So it was good to see that side of Japanese culture and at home as well.
Thank you, everyone. We couldn't have asked for a better trip and a better lot of people to do it with. So, thank you.
Keep those friendships going, and I'm sure either many of you will meet up again either in Australia or in Japan. Thank you.
Nothing's gonna hurt you, girl. I believe we're here for a while, then we die. But I believe this love.
So many memories made and friendships formed. It was sadly time to go.
Let's take the Jeep alone to my dad. I know just the thing to do. Don't mind the law, hard on our heels. No one's gonna come for you. I believe we're there for a while, then we die. But I believe this love is stronger than you and I. I believe we're here for a while, then we die. hand. Take this love around the world.